What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss, back at it again. So today I got some turkey wings. I'm gonna cook them in my crock pot. So I got some garlic powder, onion powder, and Zatarain's Creole seasoning, and some Worcestershire sauce. So it's gonna be really simple, and onions and green peppers. So I'm gonna start by just throwing them over in the crock pot. Then I'm gonna cover it with Worcestershire sauce. I love that Worcestershire sauce flavor, and it really makes them tender. You don't need to add no water in here. It's gonna make its own water, you know. And I'm just gonna mix it around. And I'm just gonna come back and lightly hit the other side with the Creole. I'm gonna add some garlic. Since I'm putting real onions in, I'm not gonna put no more onion powder. So now I'm just gonna put my onions in, and green peppers, and then I'm just gonna turn it on high, cause I'm gonna be, you know, ready to eat dinner. So usually I'll turn it on low. Just put the top on. Update on turkey wings. They've been on for an hour and a half, so they got at least 3 hours left on them. We'll come back to check on these bad boys soon. Look at them, how they starting. Them onions starting to cook them down. Man, look how they starting to just come off. We'll cook these things for about 1 more hour, man. Check them out. Look at this. About to go ahead and whip up some rice to go with them. Here comes the nice turkey wings. Slow cooked for 4 hours in the crock pot on high. Hey, make sure you go in. Thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure you like, comment, and smash that sub button if you already haven't. Peace out.